Hello, model citizens. Today's episode is an edit from a live stream showing my attempt at building an N Scale pallet from a GC laser kit. So now step 9. Do not remove from sheet. Glue 10 A through C, then remove. Oh my gosh. A through C. Okay. Am I really about to attempt to build pallets? N Scale pallets out of paper? How is this going to work? Yeah, okay. So who wants to see me make this? Is so crazy. Look at this. This is literally a piece of paper. And I'm about to take a piece of paper and try out cutting out pieces to make a completed pallet. So basically this is done, is what it's saying. The shed is done. So I've completed the shed. What I haven't completed is Hi. What time is it? 10:35. I guess I can't give up yet. I mean, I guess I should try it. Heath never takes the easy road on stuff. Wouldn't go wrong that way. Yeah, I mean, I'm at least going to try this. I've got to try it. I can't not try. I mean, I could not try, but I'm going to try this. Let's try this. So we're going to put a bunch of glue on this. As I mess some of it up, but that's okay. And then I'm going to cut out some of the inside-outside pieces. I'm going to use a small tweezers. All right, 2.75 magnification coming up. Boy, I can't see anything. Let's see. Okay, here it is. So that doesn't look right. That looks right. Man, even with this 2.75, I can't even see it. I can't see it. I don't know if you can see it. My head might be in the way. For all I know, my head's in the way. Apologize if my head's in the way. I think the glue is dried already. Yeah, the glue is completely dried already. Take 1 did not work. Oh. Boy, that was interesting. That was an interesting attempt. This is making pallets out of paper. Let's try the pallet again. So here are the pallet pieces. I think. So these look like they may be folded over or something. I think those broke. Because the pallet piece is supposed to be this long. That's how long the pallet piece is supposed to be, and it's supposed to like stand up across. So ironically, I can see this better through the screen than I can looking at it on the table because I'm able to zoom in on the camera. I'm going to cut these out. Okay, so we cut some of those out. Not that one, just these. Okay, so there we go. So now we got three good pallet pieces. So we're going to take some wood glue. I just put the wood glue on the wax paper slightly off camera. I'm gonna I am going to put some glue on. Move this back a little bit. There we go. So I got some glue on it. Now we're going to attempt to pick one of these up. Oh, geez, they're flying everywhere. Things are flying. And let's see, let's set it in the center. I'm going to pick another one up. And we'll put it on one end. The first one went down so easy. I don't know if maybe the glue's dried already. There we go. We got that one and one more. Oh, that's not the right thing. Let's try this one. Over. Oh, I had it standing up and then I was trying to get it to sit flatter. All right, so we're gonna, I just lost that somewhere. We're gonna add a little more glue, try and get a little bit more. Oh, it's way too much glue. Way too much glue. And add a little more glue to get a little more sticking power on that side. And I don't know where it went. It flew across the room. There's one. Things keep falling out of my tweezers and flying across the room. This is not the right thing, but we're going to use this. There we go. So that's the first part of it. Get my little spatula, get it off here so it doesn't dry. Okay, so I'm going to leave this for a couple seconds.
I want to take a moment to thank all of my supporters both on YouTube and Patreon, as well as my channel sponsors, which make creating videos like this possible.
So you can see right here, it looks a little bit like a mess, but you can see they are standing up on edge right there. So the next thing to do is put some other pieces on it. So we'll do that in 1 second. We'll let it dry. I'm going to try to throw these pieces of wood up over the top of this. So yeah, that's what we're going to try and do. Not sure what to put glue on. I think I need to put glue on this, on these. This is definitely like one of the worst pallets I've ever seen. This is definitely not a pallet you find in a warehouse. Definitely more a pallet you find on Heath's N Scale Railroad. All right, so I don't know if there's enough glue to hold them on or not. We're gonna give this, let's give this a couple minutes. I don't actually plan on using these pallets and this stuff. I actually have these tires and these 55-gallon drums and stuff for this. But I just kind of thought it would be interesting to try it and to see if I can make one of these pallets. I mean, I don't, in this day and age with all the resin printing stuff, you're probably insane if you try and make one of these pallets. Let's zoom in to watch this next part. So I'm going to attempt to cut this pallet out, and we'll see if it holds together or not when it's cut out, and see what it kind of looks like. See if I made a complete and total mess out of it, or if we've actually got some semblance of a pallet. So let's see, we're cutting the top. Bottom. Here we go. Well, it's a it's a sad pallet. It is a sad pallet. But it's I don't even know what to say about it. It was fun, it was fun to try it. I had to give it a try. I thought it was worth trying.
It's all about humanity.
Thank you for watching.